Want to know the number one reason your Fiverr gig isn't getting clicks? It's not because your service isn't good enough, it's because you're not selling it the right way. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your Fiverr gig into a sales magnet. Whether you're brand new to Fiverr or you've been on the platform for a while, your gig is your storefront. And just like in the real world, if the shop window doesn't grab attention, people walk right past. So let's talk about how to capture attention, build trust, and convert clicks into real orders. Here's the truth. Creating a Fiverr gig isn't about what you think looks good. It's about what potential clients are looking for. Buyers focus on three things first: your thumbnail, your title, and your price. Nail those, and you've already got a head start. Yes, Fiverr has SEO, but stuffing your title with keywords won't win you orders. The sweet spot is balancing searchability with clarity. Speak directly to your client's needs. Avoid overused, generic titles like, "I will design your logo." Instead, combine your keywords with a clear value proposition. Let's say you're offering TikTok content. Instead of, "I will make short videos," try, "I will craft viral UGC TikTok reels and shorts." That's both searchable and appealing. Your gig image is your billboard. Unlike YouTube, Fiverr thumbnails should project professionalism and competence because you're selling to business clients. If you can, add a gig video. It builds trust, showcases your skills, and lets buyers hear directly from you about how you'll solve their problem. Think of your description as a sales script. Start with a hook that grabs attention. Show your value through results, experience, and proof, not just generic promises. Instead of listing your services like a menu, highlight who you've worked with, what results you've achieved, and why you're the best fit. Your gig title, tags, and description all affect where you show up in search results. But remember, ranking means nothing if your gig doesn't convert. Fiverr's algorithm rewards sellers who get consistent orders and positive feedback. Aim for 5-star reviews on every order. When you're starting out, price competitively to attract those first clients. Use Fiverr's basic, standard, and premium packages to cater to different budgets, but make sure each tier clearly offers more value. Don't forget gig extras. Things like fast delivery or extra revisions can add hundreds to your monthly income. Getting clicks comes down to this: an eye-catching thumbnail, a clear and compelling title, and competitive pricing. Building trust comes from your video and a description that sells, not just tells. If you put these tips into action, optimize your gig, keep buyers engaged, and constantly improve, you'll not only rank higher, but you'll start converting those clicks into sales. And remember, don't be afraid to ask for help, and check out part 1 of this series if you missed it. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me your Fiverr niche. I might just make the next video specifically for you. Thanks for watching and good luck on your Fiverr journey.